Altitude hypoxia. Healthy people are usually able to compensate for a lack of oxygen up to 10 or 12,000 feet. This is known as the physiological safe altitude. So when breathing ambient air, hypoxia should not occur below 3,000 meters, 10,000 feet. This is known as the indifferent phase. However, at 6,000 to 7,000 feet, changes happen in the human body where there are compensatory reactions to account for the drop in oxygen partial pressure. For example, an increase in the breathing rate. This is known as the threshold for compensatory reactions. The first effective and the most sensitive sense is vision. At 5,000 feet, night vision is affected. At 8,000 feet, short-term memory starts to deteriorate. The critical or lethal threshold with no pressurization or supplemental oxygen is 22,000 feet. Breathing 100% oxygen at 38,000 feet is equivalent to breathing ambient air at 10,000 feet. Therefore, it increases the physiological safe altitude to 38,000 feet. Symptoms of hypoxia will therefore occur at above 38,000 feet. Above 38,000 feet then, 100% oxygen must be supplied under pressure after a rapid decompression.